If you're just joining us, I'm Mark and this is Lucy, and we are currently in Senegal with our van Tubi. Today we are driving from Kungur to Nicolo Koba National Park to camp on the Gambia River, and if we're lucky, see some baboons, and maybe even a hippo or two. Oh, there's a lot of them! You saw it, right?
Oh my god, looking right to us, right? 나 태우고 가세요.
Good morning, guys. We're gonna leave this campsite and head to the wild campsite today. It'll be long drives, 3 hours, but we can make it there, right? I don't know, I always say it right, you didn't even hear it. Okay.
Singing a WhatsApp to those guys to see if there's
Amen and
Ishmael.
So we met the Ismail and Natalie in a two previous campsite, and then they sent a message yesterday. They are doing wild camping, and our location is quite similar for the wild camping spot. So we are checking that they are there still or not. But if we have a luck, we are gonna see them again. Now it's like it is kind of traveler's life. You miss some point, you say goodbye, and you meet again. Circle of life.
Off we go again.
이렇게 땅콩이네. 누가 하면 살 텐데.
This one, yes sir. 덥디. Ko래. Careful, watch out.
나 저런 허츠 같은 거, 저 집으로 된 지붕 더 이쁜 거 같아. 오, 와, 진짜 기다려.
Be careful of these goats.
They're not like a cow.
Yeah, they're not as smart as the cows, right? Whole side of the road is burning down.
Oh wow, it's hot.
Yeah.
Really hot. 저 일부러 태우는 거야? 아니면 맞지? Wow, I can hear it. 다닥다닥다닥다닥다닥. Oh.
Did you finish your work?
Yeah.
And now you're heading to the national park.
Yeah.
Nice.
What about you?
We decided against it, so we were talking to one border guard or national park guard, and he said with this car you can't forget it, and so we thought we are heading towards Gambia, trying that again.
Oh, okay.
And then going south there, and then...
What about the car's coming?
Okay.
Good to see you again. You made it all the way here.
You were so hot, huh?
Yeah, he's not well
your
today.
face is red today.
Yeah, he's just crying all day.
Oh, no.
So
Oh my gosh,
never.
it's been so hot, right?
Yeah, it's like every kilometer south, it's getting hotter and hotter.
Yeah,
We're just
yeah.
trying to get away from the heat.
Are you gonna stop at that campsite again?
I think we are...
Yeah. Like, please, we're taking a break, lunch break. So if you want to sneak into the town, lunchtime is the perfect time, right? Come on, guys.
얄라 못 들을 수도 있겠다.
Take the next right onto Kevin Campervan to Wasadu.
There it is.
It's not that bad, huh?
It's not that great, especially if it rains. Oh, low trees.
Do you want me to hold it?
There's cattle coming up here. Oh man, maybe there's cattle coming up. Here we go. Just gotta watch out for these branches over here.
왔으면 좋겠다.
Yeah, right. One of us will have to back up the whole way out. Oh, kill scene.
Alright.
Okay, it's gonna be a little bit tricky here.
진짜 아프리카 온 것 같네. 4x4는 아니지만. I can see river.
Are we almost there?
요. 아 진짜 이제 아프리카 온 것 같다. 나이스. 아 진짜 예쁘다. 헐. 와우. 저 나탈리 차 아니지? 나탈리 맞는가? 아니지?
어, 맞네.
Hello. You guys here? Yeah, I know. It's hot.
Mark!
Hot, right? You need to leave. It's hot. It's 37. Too hot. Yeah, too hot. Oh my god. So I feel like you guys are at the other spot.
We went there, but
Uh-huh.
it was not so nice, so we came back.
Ah, okay. Hey, Mark. We saw the Tom and Terrace on the road, and then we just park and then like talk with them. Yeah. Oh, she's having a hard time, huh? 멈춰야 될 것 같다, honey야. It's going to the deep. 여긴 괜찮은데 여기 말이야. 앞으로 좀 당겼다가 다시 꺾어야 될 것 같은데. 어머. Oh, big rock is there. But yeah, she can roll over. Alright. Stop. Alright. Let's see. It is already 33.1 degree. It is really hot. I changed my clothes. If I can be naked, I wish. But I know even I'm naked, it would not gonna help at all. We both are dripping, right? The sweat.
Take off my shirt.
Oh yeah, go for it. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna give you $1.
It's stuck to my body. Can't get it off.
내가 도와줄게. 일로 나. 아니야. 숙여. 그렇게 하지 말고 나를 보고 숙여. Oh my god.
It's stuck.
수영복 입어야겠다, 언니야.
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably a good idea.
So I think it's better for him to have a swimsuit. But look at this view. Not a mark, but look at the Gambia River. It's really nice and peaceful. They're saying that they saw the hippos here, and there's a baboons. So it'd be really nice.
There's lots of tropical fish.
Yeah, fish too.
See them right on top of the palm tree. They're fighting.
So we're heading to see a sunset at the same time Hippo, and we have a group. Joey will watch cars. 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Okay, let's go.
This guy here, that
This guy,
pain in the butt if we hit that. Ooh.
you almost missed it, you say?
Yeah.
근데 난 못 봤지 왜? 나 허니 co-pilot인데 못 봤다. 올라. We're gonna go jungle. 근데 다들 그 신발 다 푸르푸르하게 신었는데 나만.
First, walk through the African jungle.
그거 하나. 정글 숲을 기어서 가자.
Yeah, the forest is on fire. The smoke and the ashes coming down. Yeah, it's on fire. What the heck is going on here? This looks like a abandoned resort or something, huh? So much wildlife up there. These trees.
Guys, look at this tree. This is really humongous tree. And then one thing, you can see the little spike over there. And you can hear all kind of animal, baboons. And then there's a river. It's really pretty. Right now it's the sunset. And this is fantastic.
That tree is infested with monkeys, huh?
Oh, 진짜 많아. Oh, I can see. Can you see?
Oh, I think those might be baboons, huh?
바보인가?
Yeah.
오, 엄청 많네. One, two,
Yeah.
three. 바보 소리가 저렇게
Yeah, the
커?
barking sound is the baboon.
I think we had no luck today with the hippos.
Yeah.
안타깝게도 오늘은 하마를 보지는 못할 것 같습니다. 너무너무 조용해요. 대신 뒤에 막 바분 소리도 나고 막 온갖 종류의 동물, 야생동물을 들을 수가 있습니다. 이제 아프리카 온 것 같아요, 여러분. 진짜 이뻐.
Now we have to find our way back
할 수 있어.
in the dark in the African
나
jungle.
항상 준비 잘해오는데 왜 오늘 그거 안 들고 왔지? 헤드램프. Guys, like they're on fire when we were coming here. The reason why they're clean up this area, so they watch the fire and then clean up. That's how they're doing in here.
Yeah.
That's quite interesting, right?
Yep.
I feel like just like naturally or something.
Just burning the dry growth on the bottom so it doesn't get out of control.
Yeah,
But that tree is toast.
yeah. That's a campfire.
We should have brought some sausages.
yeah. 지금 찍으면 아무것도 안 나온다.
It looks kind of cool on the camera though. It looks like one of those horror films.
무슨 호러film이에요? Don't say that kind of stuff. Scary.
I heard something in the bushes. Alright, we're back.
Yep. Spider web on my face.
Dirty feet.
여기도 그렇다.
I think they're okay. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna sit on the bed for a second.
안 돼. 발 씻고 가. What they're eating.
They're eating, what was it again?
Noodle with ketchup.
Nice.
That's great.
Nice. Well,
Mama would not be proud.
so you guys do YouTube, right?
Yes.
What's your channel?
The film people. Then you
Okay.
should find us on Instagram and YouTube.
Yes.
We're gonna look for it.
Do that. Thank you.
Do you always eat ketchup on your channel? Noodles and ketchup?
We actually
It's
do have
pretty embarrassing.
cookbook,
Yeah.
and we like to cook, and we always advertise for good meals and good nutrition. But so
Not
don't show
enough.
this.
I think we have a blackmail material now because they actually have a cookbook. So
Oh wow.
we caught them eating ketchup and noodles.
Yes,
Man, I can't see a single thing. It's so dark. This camera sucks at night.
Laptops are too hot. It's, I don't know. You have to leave the spot or
I
something.
told him the same thing. Our laptop is kind of
Yeah,
Yeah,
our
it
laptop's a crap.
doesn't want to
laptop.
work.
Yeah, same with ours.
I think it would be nice if you could manage to get up really early, like 4 in the morning. Then you say,
4 in the morning.
Then you start to work, maybe until 9, and then you have a nap
Until
Do
5.
until 5, and then you start working again.
Oh man, that's good.
그래?
뭔데?
비빔면.
Looks good, guys.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Lucy?
왜? 뭐 하는데? 왜 그렇게 카메라를 그렇게 뒤로 밀어야겠나?